CanDo is a set of tools built on top of Basecamp, a blog, a knowledge base, bulk actions, Zoom meetings, and more. Things you can't do in Basecamp out of the box. All inside the Basecamp you already know and love. Let me walk you through.
Hey, I'm Jason from IQTHINK. We make CanDo for Basecamp, and today I'd like to show you how you can easily bulk create to-dos from a list. We've all been there. You have a project checklist, maybe an onboarding list, a task from a client, maybe you're planning a party on Basecamp, and you need to add every to-do manually. It's a little bit tedious, so let's go ahead and fix that. The first thing that we want to do is obviously log in to CanDo. You need a Basecamp account in order to do that. And we're going to go again, getcando.com and click on login. We're going to use our IQ Playground project. So you just select the account that you want to be able to create this for. And then we're going to go to mass to-dos. Now you have a couple options here. You have simple mode or maybe a more advanced mode where you paste from a spreadsheet. Let's say we're just using a simple mode. I have here a list that is already pre-created where is a onboarding checklist. So let's go ahead and paste it in there. And as you can see, it automatically created a list of all the to-dos for you to be able to preview. You can add notes or due date, but let's just keep it simple. And now we're going to select the project. So we're going to choose our CanDo Playground. We're going to choose the tool, so to-dos, and we're going to have it go to our onboarding checklist. Let's go ahead and click create. This is all in real time. So if we go in here, boom, this was created instantly. And now you don't have to spend a few minutes copy and pasting any of your to-dos. Now let's say that you want to get a little bit more advanced and you actually are working on a spreadsheet, and your spreadsheet has a couple columns, maybe title, description, due date. So we're gonna go ahead and just copy the content. You don't have to copy the title or the first row, otherwise that will go into your to-dos as well. And we're going to go back into our mass to-dos tool. We're going to go ahead and paste it. Once we do that, you can see we have all of our to-dos, we have all of our notes, and our due date. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing. CanDo Playground, to-dos. Now, since we're setting up a party, we're booking a venue, sending invitations, we're going to go ahead and use our party planning to-do list. And immediately you're going to see party planning checklist was all populated with the things that you entered in CanDo. And if you open up a particular to-do, you'll see the notes in there as well. Appetizers, main course, dessert. Hopefully this was helpful, especially if you're a Basecamp user. If you'd like to try it, you can actually go to Basecamp's website, and under integrations for Basecamp, you'll see us right there, CanDo. Or just go to our website, getcando.com. Hopefully this was helpful, and see you in the next one.